From our temporary HQ in Hokitika, we decided to take advantage of the absolutely glorious weather and head north to Paparoa to visit the national park. This was not part of our original itinerary, but we are so glad we visited the park. Apparently, it's overcast and rainy in this area at least 70% of the time, which makes sense due to the proximity to the water and the intensely lush vegetation.
We love coastal drives. Get ready for that hairpin turn.
Our New Zealand trip was the first time I had ever driven on the opposite side of the road, but let me tell you, when driving north, it frees up the passenger for clear views you otherwise would not have. The drive up to Paparoa from Hokitika was about an hour, and my oh my, what scenes. New Zealand was showing off and showing out. It felt like we were driving through Jurassic Park.
Oh wait, here we go. Yes, it is make a lot. And the adventure begins. Day 3, 4?
Paparoa National Park runs along the Paparoa Range, which was first sighted by the Dutch explorer Abel Tasman in 1642. Abel Tasman was in the service of the famed Dutch East India Company and was responsible for the European naming of New Zealand. He also has a national park named in his honor on the north side of the South Island. The word Paparoa means long flats, and our first stop was at the unique-looking Pancake Rocks, aka Punakaiki. The limestone rocks have been heavily eroded through two processes: karst erosion, which is a slow chemical erosion caused by the steady flow of water, and coastal erosion, which as we know happens more quickly. The limestone is estimated to be from the Oligocene period of almost 30 million years ago, when most of the continent was submerged between shallow seas. High tide did not coincide with when we visited the Pancake Rocks, so the ocean was not gushing through the blowhole as extremely. But, as with most places, both high and low tide have its advantages. We hiked the Pororari River track and absolutely loved it. The sun was out and the air was crisp. Seemingly zero humidity, and that's compared to South Florida, I guess, but you were only sweating because you were getting your steps in.
Funny bird. Hello, Mr. Kiwi. Down by the ocean. And then Chattanooga. Hey, Kiwi. Casual, you know. New Zealand sights and sounds. Look at this sand here. We've stepped on a lot of different kinds of sand in our life, but look at this. This is something else. I mean, New Zealand's something else, so. There's always a Mai Tai beach chair kind of relaxation, you know, where you just, time slows down and you really appreciate it. Doesn't happen very often for us, even less for me. We're always just, you know, on the go. But this right here, this cave, with this waterfall and this rock beach, you could stay here forever. Be a happy cave dweller, cave chiller, right there. Sometimes you wish you were born a couple thousand years ago. Eat some kiwis, they look delicious. They look delicious. Eat some kiwis and the bird, not the people. And chill under the cave. Have the best life. At least now we get to see it all. We got all the drinking water you need too. Oh wow, that's really good. It really is very fresh, you can imagine. Oh wow. Oh, look at this, Mr. Crab. Mr. Crab. Let's see how we get up here. This stuff would not feel good to get scraped on. You see this hole?
What?
There's a hole.
Oh yeah?
You got it? You got it? Yeah.
Oh wow.
Go.
You want me to go in it?
Yeah, let's go.
secret. Oh, and there's a whole world in here. Don't you love it? This is awesome. Sweet. You guys really don't like me here. They only make the noise when I'm near them. They want me to get away from their rock. I hear you. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. Cormorant. Just like in the glades. Doing the same thing they do there too. Why can humans see more shades of green than any other species? Because we accustomed our eyes to predators living in the jungle. That's how we survived and got out. That's a Lorne Malvo quote. Deep.
Going in a little tunnel.
In we go. Oh, nice and chilly in here. Hiking all alongside this river, hoping to get to the suspension bridge and be able to see it all. It's been mostly in the jungle, but that's cool too. Oh, right on cue.
That's working. What are you doing?
Yep. Ha, there it is. Look at this wondrous land. We made some Kiwi friends on the first part of our hike. They were a little closer to their 70s than us, so we had to go a little slower, but it was very worth it just for the conversation. People here are also friendly, and like everywhere, how do you learn the most? By talking to people. All right, let's go. It bounces more than the gorge for sure.
This one, the max is only 5 people.
I'm not gonna bounce it, don't worry. It's bouncy for sure. Turn back, okay? Yeah, don't tell me what to do. Don't tell me what to do. Our Kiwi counter is like a dozen now, maybe?
I think a little more.
A little more?
You have to cross.
Should I have brought a flashlight? I'm serious. With my eyes like this, I can't see anything.
Oh wow.
Can't see anything.
Yeah, I don't know how far it goes.
Cave dwellers. A lot of water in here. Yeah. You see? This is the end here. Yeah. I'm getting soaked. Nice place for a shower. I could live in a cave. Careful with these rocks here. Good?
Yeah.
Hello, Kiwis.
Wow, right now.
Yeah, you don't say.